Hey guys, yesterday was my anniversary on Valentine's Day. So let's see how I got ready for my special day. And by the way, happy Valentine's Day to all of you. I will take you through my makeup in detail. I've never done such a detailed makeup video, but and by the way, very sorry for the lighting. I did not realize that I had such low lighting during the video.
sound really fine 아무렇지 않은 척 아무도 모르게 조심하는데 또 티가 났나 봐 sound really fine 너와 함께 했었던 시간이 길었어 나봐 난 네 옷을 또 보고 있어 Hey hey yeah yeah I can't control 생각했는데 추억이 잠시 널 떠올린 거야 Still believe fine hey, hey, yeah, yeah. I can't control hey, hey, yeah, yeah. I miss you baby yeah, yeah, yeah. 너무 어려워 항상 이별은 쉽지 않아 So that is how I look with the makeup. Now let's get ready and do my hair. And that was my dress. I've just styled two prints together. I was not very sure, but finally I really like the look.